please raise your right hand for the pledge.
Panatang Makabayan. Iniibig ko ang Pilipinas, aking lupang sinilangan, tahanan ng aking lahi. Kinukupkup ako at tinutulungan
para maging malakas, masipag at marangal. Dahil mahal ko ang Pilipinas, inin ko ang payo ng aking mga magulang. Susundin ko ang tungkulin ng paaralan.
Tutuparin ko ang mga tungkulin ng isang mamayang makabayan. Naglilingkod, nag-aaral, at nagdarasal ng buong katapatan. Iaalay ko ang aking buhay, pangarap, pagsisikap sa bansang Pilipinas.
皆様おはようございます。安全な週末をお過ごしいただけましたでしょうか。
CIS のリモートラーニングの次の週へようこそ。
Good morning, everyone! Welcome back to another week at CIS. Wow, China, we're looking especially cozy today. Cute pajamas you got there.
Thanks, Akisha. I'm liking your pajamas too. It's been one cozy morning and I am loving it. What a great way to start the week. And that reminds me, it's only 4 more Mondays till Christmas.
Yup! And to make it even better, let's hit it off with the Tabata exercise from Liam of grade 10. Let's go, Liam!
Welcome to Tabata. Are you ready? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go!
This hit that ice cold, Michelle fight for that white gold.
Round
This one for them hood girls, them good girls, straight has to be stylin', wildin', living it up in the city. Got Chuck's on with Sailor Rose, gotta kiss myself, so pretty. I'm too hot, too hot.
3, 2, 1, stop!
Girls hit you, hallelujah. Ooh, girls hit you, hallelujah. Ooh, cause Uptown Funk gon' give it to you. Saturday night till we in the spot.
3, 2, 1, go! Round 2.
Don't believe it, just watch. Don't believe it, just watch. Don't believe it, just watch.
3, 2, 1.
Stop. Wait a minute. Stop. Wait a minute.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go!
Stop. Wait a minute. Fill my cup, put some liquor in it.
Round 3.
Take a sip, sign a check. Pull it out, get the stretch. Right from Harlem, Hollywood, Jackson, Mississippi. If we show up, don't show out. Smoother than a fresh drop, skipping hot. I'm too hot, too hot.
3, 2, 1, shot!
Too hot, hot day. Too hot, hot day.
5, 4, 3,
Don't believe me,
2,
just
1,
watch.
go!
Come on.
Wow, that surely got me pumped up and ready for the day. Thank you so much, Leah.
Now, let's take a look at the winners of the Guess Who's Reading contest that happened during Book Week.
Hello, everyone. Last book week, we had a Guess Who's Reading contest. Let's now reveal who are the teachers behind these books. The student with the most correct answer is M. Swank from grade 7. Congratulations! Please reach out to me and how you can claim your prize.
Wow, I'm pretty sure I got most of those wrong. Great job, everyone. Our next announcement is coming from the Model UN.
Model UN will be once again participating in the Bayman Conference hosted by International School Beijing. The conference will be held virtually from February 24 to 27, 2022. This is open to grades 9 to 12, so if you are interested in participating in this opportunity or learning more about the Model UN Club or the Bayman Conference, please reach out to Ms. Cornett.
Next up is an announcement from Stuco. Please keep in mind that the Tree of Giving event is still ongoing, and the gift boxes of the following items may still be dropped off at the school's lobby. All donations will be sent to the kids at the MAPA dump site, so all contributions will be highly appreciated. Again, if you are unable to directly bring the gift boxes to campus, the deadline for sending cash is on November 26, this Friday, and the deadline for sending gift boxes is on December 3.
And of course, I'm sure most of you are curious as to why we're out of our white-collared shirts and in some fun, cozy pajamas. This school year's first Spirit Day is this November 25, Thursday. The theme for Spirit Day is Pajama Day, and we hope to see you in your comfortable clothes. Please keep in mind the dress code when you pick your outfits, and don't forget to have fun.
We also got something exciting coming from a team of students leading CIS supports. It is a soon-to-launch online business and service project where several grade 11 students would help sell cloth masks and other products sewn by two mothers from Barangay Umapan, Mandaue City, Cebu. Supports will provide startup sewing machines and materials and help them manage their business and reach a bigger audience.
Make sure to follow their social media accounts at Supports on Instagram and Supports on Facebook to be updated on their upcoming fundraisers and news. Thank you for your support!
And to top it all off, we have a churro recipe video from Steph, Sophia, Renoa, and I, so sit back, relax, and enjoy this episode of Cocina Loca.
Buenos días a todos. Nos alegramos de que hayas vuelto a Cocina Loca. Me llamo China Chuleta.
Me llamo Sofía Salchida.
Y me llamo Renoa Riñones. Hoy día nosotras hacemos
¡Merienda!
Entonces no, nosotros no. No sabemos cocinar, así que no lo haremos. Sin embargo, trajimos una amiga que hará la merienda el día de hoy. Hola, Stephanie Sabor.
Hola. Stephanie, ¿qué merienda harás para nosotros el día de hoy?
Pues, haré churros con chocolate.
¡Qué bien! Se me hace agua la boca solo de pensar en los churros. ¡Hagámoslo!
Para los churros, nosotros necesitamos una taza de harina, una taza de agua, media cucharadita de sal, una cucharada de aceite de oliva o aceite vegetal, un cuarto de taza de azúcar, una cucharadita de canela y aceite para freír.
Para el aderezo de chocolate, también necesitamos 3 tabletas de chocolate, media taza de leche y 2 cucharadas de leche condensada.
Primero que nada, hacemos la masa para los churros. Ponemos el agua en una cacerola. Agregamos una cucharada de aceite y hervimos.
Mientras el agua se calienta en la cacerola, en un tazón mezclamos la harina, la sal y la canela.
Cuando el agua hierve, nosotros la sacamos del fuego y agregamos la mezcla de harina, Revolvemos la masa hasta que se forme una masa sin grumos. Después la ponemos sobre una superficie ligeramente engrasada y amasamos hasta que quede suave.
Cuando acabemos de amasar la masa, la transferimos a una manga pastelera equipada con la boquilla de estrella. La ponemos aparte y calentamos el aceite para freír en una sartén honda a 180 grados.
Mientras el aceite se calienta, nosotros preparamos esa cobertura asombrosa para los churros. Simplemente combinamos el azúcar y la canela en un plato. Dejar de lado.
Al freír los churros, colocamos tiras de masa en el aceite caliente con una manga pastelera y cortamos los extremos con unas tijeras. Pon solo 4 a 5 churros a la vez para que no se peguen. Fría en tandas durante unos 10 a 15 minutos a fuego medio, a bajo o hasta que estén doradas.
Un consejo es asegurarse de que el aceite no esté demasiado caliente para que los churros no se doren demasiado rápido mientras el interior aún no esté cocido. Recuerda, vigila de cerca tus churros.
Ahora, mientras se fríen los churros, podemos hacer ese rico de aderezo de chocolate. En un batirol o cacerola pequeña, caliente la leche a fuego lento y agregue 3 tabletas de chocolate y leche condensada. Sigue revolviendo hasta que la masa se disuelva bien y la mezcla de chocolate lleva. Así. Cuando espese como lo desea, está listo.
Ahora, volvamos a los churros. Cuando los churros estén dorados, los escurrimos en el colador y los cubrimos inmediatamente en la mezcla de azúcar y canela. Servimos en un plato con la salsa de chocolate a un lado. Y ahí lo tienes. ¡Disfrútalo!
Vaya, eso fue muy divertido.
Sí, esos churros se ven tan buenos que me estoy volviendo loca por ellos.
Sí, ¿quién no se volvería loca por ellos?
Gracias, Stephanie Sabor, por acompañarnos hoy.
Gracias a ustedes también.
Y eso es un resumen de
Cocina
Loca. Gracias.
Yum! Those churros looked amazing, you guys. I think I know what I'll be doing in my free time. I learned some new Spanish words too. Well, that wraps up this week's announcements.
I am so glad you liked it, Akeisha. And for that, thank you so much for tuning in to this week's assembly. Stay safe, cozy, and rested. Please be ready for the CIS promise.
Our promise is that
In all we think, say, and do,
We will be responsible, respectful, and prepared.
As we begin this week
at Cebu International School,
let us support each other
towards the ideals
of the CIS vision and mission statements,
so that we may reach our potential
and have a positive impact in our changing world.
Have a great week, everyone.